Hey, how you doing? Can I show you two quilts and tell you about a workshop coming up this weekend? We'll start with the quilts. Number one, you may remember seeing this piece from a couple months ago around the internet in various places. It features a shirt that I found in the middle of an intersection in my neighborhood, and I just sewed it down right on top of this quilt. That's quilt number one. Quilt number two I want to show you. I just started it this week. I was at the beach this weekend with my friend Matthew, and I found this shirt that the ocean washed up. Look at these colors and the textures. I mean, it's amazing. So, of course, what both of these quilts have in common is they feature garments that have seen the short end of the stick when it comes to being exposed to the natural elements, right? And that's the premise of our upcoming workshop this Saturday. So me and my good friend Amanda Nadig, who's a rock star, maybe you know her, we're doing a workshop called Teasing the Thread, how to unlock series in your work. The premise is to start with stuff you've already made and then to expand and explore potential paths forward from there. So here's what Saturday looks like. Me and Amanda are going to share our own insights and experience with our work in series. We're going to pull in some series of our friends who are known for their strong kind of through lines in their work. And then here's the magic. We're going to open up breakout rooms. You're going to have small groups where you can share a piece that you've made recently and then brainstorm in the hive mind potential paths forward for creating another quilt from the one that you bring with you. So you come with one quilt, you leave with 100 new ideas, and maybe a few new friends. How's that sound? If you want more information about this quilt, click on the button below. And if you still have questions, send me an email. I'm happy to help. All right? Until next time, I hope you're up to something good. I hope you're sewing something good. And I hope to see you at Teasing the Thread. Bye-bye.